cheese.
You come in next.
How are you here? There's no room for a large room like this, so...
Some of you can come through the window, some of you can wait for the next portion of bread. Okay, you can look through the window first. So whoever wants to try and duck the bread themselves, the price is 5 for that. So you can raise your hand and you can move forward so she can help you. So the bread is included. The bread is included in the price, yes. Two. Oh, here's choices.
One bread by.
Just one bread or to try? Just one bread? Yeah, we can do that afterwards. At first, I need people who want to try to make the bread themselves. That's right.
No, I want to buy. I want to buy.
Yeah, you're not doing it yourself?
No, we will try it.
You afraid?
Yeah, okay.
Just want to buy.
Okay, I'm gonna ask for it about outside as well. Guys, whoever wants to try to make the bread themselves, you can come inside. The price is 5, you know? Remember that? Okay. The bread is included. You know what's good? To make it yourself? You're free? Oh, okay. Sorry. Guys, people who are making the bread, move to the left from me. Right here. You just want the bread or you want to try and make it yourself? Oh, you want to make it yourself? Yeah, the press is right. You remember that? No. Yeah, that's the one.
Okay, I'll try 5.
So whoever does
Yes.
that, stand on the left side
for
from
5?
me. Yeah, for to the flour.
Okay.
Do it. Then you start rolling. Not too much.
ესე დაიჭერ
Hold it. Hold it.
და ეხლა აქ მიყუროს როგორ
Hold
დავაკრა.
it.
Hold it. And look at her how she's doing it.
Yes.
Stick it in.
And jump inside.
Jump inside now. See,
I mean the bread.
The more down you do it, the more down you do it, it cooks faster.
Oh my god.
Only the bread, huh?
You're so...